What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. This morning I want to talk about Aitx. My overnight position on it is slowing down a little bit, but still capitalize on it. I want to get in the chart pattern and take a look. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it if I could find it. This one, yeah. Aitx. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos, please go and do so. I've been talking about the different ways to capitalize on Aitx. I've been capitalizing on this thing beautifully. I've capitalized on the breakouts. I've capitalized on the dip buy opportunities. I've capitalized on the overnight plays. And I continue to capitalize on it, man. So, didn't really necessarily get a big move, but, still was able to collect a little over $100 profit on the overnight play. I've talked about these overnight plays. I've capitalized nicely on them, and every time I bought this for an overnight play, I've made money on it. This is the first time, it didn't really gap up the way I wanted. It's starting to slow down a little bit. If we get into the daily, it's starting to grind, which is nice. It's starting to grind, so it's telling me that it's due for a pop, which is why I wanted to do an overnight play yesterday, because I was anticipating it to have a big pop, because it looked like it was grinding nicely, but it just didn't happen. So, I'm going to keep my eye on it. As you can see, the volume kind of completely died off yesterday, it keeps slowing down, and then the volume today is slowing down. So anytime volume starts slowing down, a play could be just, could be going bad, man. It's becoming a dud. But, it's still very much in play for me, because it did have a great news catalyst. So, it's definitely something on my watch. But I just wanted to share with you guys, again, Aitx, a way to capitalize on something. For me personally, I used to go from stock to stock to stock to stock. If one thing didn't, whether it worked, whether I was red or green, I'd be done with that play in a day. And the old me, a year ago or even last year, just the start of my journey, if I traded Aitx, whether I was red or green, I'd be done with it and move on to the next play. But now I realize, man, just to slow down and understand how one particular stock works, man, just one. And then capitalize on those movements when you get familiar with the price action of one stock. So, this is just an add-on. I mean, total, over the last 2 weeks, I've probably made, close. I haven't looked into the numbers, but over the last 2 weeks, I probably made a couple grand on just this stock alone. So, just capitalizing on it, slowing down, but still made it well over $100 on the morning for just this one stock. Just recognizing the price action, recognizing the movement, and capitalizing on that movement. Once you get familiar with it, man, it starts to become second nature for you to just make the move. All right. I wanted to go a quick review over Aitx and the technicals, and the continuation of capitalizing on the technicals when you get familiar. So it is slowing down, so the play might eventually die out. And it's looking like this might die out at some point because the volume continues to slow down. But I am still seeing grind action in the yearly 1-day year chart. So just depending on how today plays out, will determine whether or not I'm going to buy back into this stock. So that's going to be it on that one, man. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of my analysis. If you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop mafia. It's a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So Aitx, capitalizing on it again. Just the overnight play, selling it in the market open. I'll keep you guys updated if I keep playing this stock. I'll be sure to let you know, so stay tuned for that. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.